In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile picture in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to upload a photo, and how to fine-tune it so it looks great everywhere your account appears. First, open a browser and go to mail.yahoo.com. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. If you're prompted for verification, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete sign in. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens a small menu where you'll choose Account Info to reach your account settings. Inside the account area, select Personal Settings. This is where you manage things like your display name and profile photo. In the Profile Picture section, click the plus icon. This is the starting point for adding a new picture or changing the existing one. Next, choose Upload from Device. A file picker will appear so you can browse your computer or phone. Select an image you like and then click Open. For the best results, pick a clear, well-lit photo, ideally a square image or something that can be cropped to a square without cutting off important details. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. After the upload, you'll see Yahoo's built-in editor. Start by cropping the picture. Drag the corners or edges of the crop box to frame your face or the subject you want centered. Aim for a balanced composition with a little space above your head and even margins on the sides. If your image looks mirrored or upside down, use the flip tools. You can flip horizontally or vertically to correct a front camera mirror effect or an unusual orientation. If the picture is tilted, use the rotate controls to turn it left or right until it's upright. Use the zoom slider to get closer or to include more background. Zoom in just enough to keep your face crisp and easily recognizable, but avoid cutting off the top of your head or your shoulders. If you'd like a different mood or tone, you can apply a filter. Choose something subtle so your photo stays natural and clear. When everything looks good, click Done to save your changes. Your new profile picture will update across Yahoo services. If it doesn't appear instantly everywhere, that's normal. It may take a short time to propagate. That's all there is to it. Simple, quick, and polished.